Okay, so on the Math Playground website under Transformation Workshop, there are some directions to this tool. However, they're not super well explained, so I'm just going to try and give you a quick demo. So the first thing here is the green box. You can choose your shape. This is your start shape. It could be a triangle, trapezoid, quadrilateral. We're going to stick to a rectangle. You start shape, and here is our original shape. And over here, this red square will always default as a red square. This is what we call our end shape or our image. So I'm just going to, first I'm going to make sure that it's going to be the same size as our original shape. There we go. And then we're going to use the transformation blocks over here. Today we're going to focus just on the translate X. So remember that's the X-axis along the horizontal, that's right or left, and the translate up down. So that's the y-axis, which is the vertical axis, up and down. So we're going to perform two translations, one along the x-axis, so I'll pull that down, and I'm going to pull my cursor, hold, and pull over, let's say, 2 units to the right. You can also go to the left, but I'm going to do 2 units to the right. Then I'm going to click and hold translate Y, pull it down, and let's translate 2 units down. Okay, so remember, if you're using pen and paper, this will be a little bit different because you will not have a shape like I have right here. So if you're using pen and paper, you would take each individual coordinate, which would be labeled A, B, C, D, and you would perform the translations for each coordinate. So I would first move 1, 2 right, 1, 2 down. I would put my point here and label it with my new label A. Then I would take my next and move 2 right and 2 down. And I would do that with all of my points until I had 4 points. I would use a ruler, connect my points, and I would have my my translated shape. In this case, because we have technology, it's a little bit easier. So we're going to take our whole shape, we'll click, and we will move 2 units to the right, 1, 2, and then we will move 2 down, 1, 2. So now we've translated 2 units to the right and 2 units down. Now we can click the transform button to see if we are correct. And you can see that we are. So if we're not correct, I'll show you what that would look like. Let's say I put my shape over here. So you'll see that the final image does not match up with what we predicted. So that's how you use this tool. And we will get into reflections and rotations in the coming days.